Hi, in this video, let me show you how to use the power button on your FPD Tizen OS TV. This power button can do many different things, not only turning your TV on and off. So if I put this TV on the side here, you're gonna notice that the power button is right under the FPD logo here. On your TV, it may be on the right side, it may be on the left side, so just check under. Now, if I tap once on this button, nothing will happen. Tap again and the menu will open. By tapping on the button, we can select different items. If you want to select power off, you're gonna keep press that button to select. As it says here, press and hold to select. Same thing for channel up, channel down, volume up, volume down. Let's say I wanna lower the volume. I will select volume down and I'll keep press the button. Well, here my volume is already at 0, but you get the idea. If you want to select a different source, highlight source, keep press on source. And now, as you see, it has switched. Press again on source, it switched to TV. Again to AV. And if I had HDMI connected, well, I'll be able to select HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. But I don't have any, so that's why you only see these. Let me power off the TV. I selected power off and I keep press on the button. So this is how it works. I hope this was useful. It's very practical in case you have forgot your where the remote control is located. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.